Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
India should adopt zero audit. We said that Modi Sahab has said that 2070 we will be able to cover, but the target is 2050. But 2050 is also too stiff target for India to have a zero carbon audit. So zero carbon means zero emission of carbon. A quantum jump is required in the field of energy saving and energy usage. And in India, the children can work. They can show up the model how you can improve your house.
Wishing you all a very happy National Science Day today. I request don't keep any question unanswered to your own self. Get each and every question answered.
Today, Spectra 2022, we are celebrating National Science Day, and we are going to have various competitions for Ponda and KPM Taluka schools. The competitions are like this: science puzzles, science quiz, science experiments, science projects, solution design. And we have invited 12 students of standard 8th and 9th, and there are altogether 6 students from each school. They'll be participating in this competition, and we have got a CV Raman rolling trophy. And the whole idea of this event is to see that more CV Raman should be born in our country.
Basically, the program is to commemorate the National Science Day. But आमचो मेन पर्पज हांगा आसा की भुरग्यांमध्ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स आमी कशे प्रमोट करूं शकता. आजकाल तुम्ही पळयता की with the growing population, number of problems also are growing up. But the whole point is, instead of focusing on coming up with a solution, we are focusing more on how solution can be given to some other countries and they can solve our problems. Keeping that in mind, what we have decided is we have come up with a good event wherein students will help students to showcase their problem solving skills.